My name is Jeron Dotson. I'm from University of Michigan-Flint's class of 2020. This idea came about, me and my brother were going to California for the first time back in July of 2017. And we just were looking for a new adventure and a fresh food that we had never tasted before. We actually went out there to have In-N-Out Burger. We were on Venice Beach and we were looking for In-N-Out Burger or anything that was different than what we had in Michigan. We went across Venice Beach for a good half an hour until we came across a hole-in-the-wall place called the POH-kay Shack. Upon tasting it, I fell in love with the idea, the concept. It was affordable, it was good food. Similar to Chipotle or Subway, you would come in, choose your base, then you would go add your proteins, which is ahi tuna, salmon, shrimp, and chicken. You would move on up to your fresh vegetables. We have edamame, cilantro, carrots, scallions, all fresh and cut here. Nothing is processed. Then we hit it with some of our famous sauce, toppings like fried garlic. So once you start at the beginning, it doesn't look like much, but when you're done, it's very vibrant food. It looks almost like a work of art. I actually came to U of M back in 2010. That's when I graduated. My major, it never changed. It was international business, and my minor is Mandarin Chinese. My dream was to graduate from Flint, get as far away from here as I could. I was like, if I'm going to make it, I got to leave. In 2020, to fulfill my requirement, I went to Japan and Taiwan to study for a semester. And once I was there, I realized how much I missed home. And I still love the allure of travel and seeing different destinations, but I realized home is where the heart is. And I figured that I didn't have to leave and go 2,000 miles out of the way to create opportunity, that Flint was the place that I could do it at. So in my opinion, I think it's a great place to go and get an education if you want more of an intimate vibe and a closer relationship with your instructors. So I was able to go to school here in Flint, right outside of where I live, meet people from the area and people who actually came from outside of the area to Flint. And then you'll learn in business that many opportunities come from networking and relationships, and that's what I was able to gain from U of M Flint.